Hi, my name's Matt Harvey. Today I'm going to teach you the very simple process of changing out the cutter wheels on a hinge cutter model. You'll need a few simple tools. I have here just a regular hammer. This is a punch, or you can also use a Phillips or Robertson screwdriver. This is some general purpose grease and something to spread grease on your pins and wheels before replacing them. Our hinge cutter models have 4 cutter wheels, and each of the wheels are held in by a pin. Changing the wheel is as simple as taking your hammer and your punch or Phillips or Robertson screwdriver, placing it over the pin and giving it a tap. Then we just simply pull out the pin and pull out the wheel. Replace with a new wheel, and all we do is take our tool for spreading grease, take a little bit of grease on either side of the wheel, a little bit on our pin. The wheel simply slides back into place. Followed by the replacement of the pin. And just a little tap gets our pin firmly in place and ready to be used.